Hey guys! Before we start, I always take a break when making a video. Let's start the video. We die means we can't get back the game anymore. Don't worry, I still have a plan to get in. What is it? Okay, here's the plan. Me and you go to the old TDs, then we kidnap us. But in the old days then, we take their suits then go the lobby, and get revenge. Got it? Yeah, and let's go and get revenge.
A few moments.
Hi Gladiator, can we get in? Sure. Okay, thanks. Get wrecked, we are going to raid the lobby. It's look like it's time to kick. Cool sound. SWAT van ran the scout. Why are you still here? You killed 2 towers, you will die.